Hello everyone, in this video let's talk about list. List is a collection of things. List can contain all types of data. It can store all data types like strings, float and integer. Let us create a list. Lists are always represented in square brackets. If you want to print list, then you have to type print bracket list. Here you can observe that 1, 2, 3 has been displayed on your screen. Each element in the list takes a index. Here 1 takes the index 0, 2 takes the index 1 and 3 takes the index 2. Lists are mutable, that means they are changeable. The elements in the list can be changed. To change the elements, we can use the commands append, insert, remove and pop. Here I am going to change the index 1 with 4. For that I have to write list square brackets 1 is equals to 4. Now run the code. Here you observe that the element with index 1 has been replaced with 4. When we use append to change the elements in the list, we observe that the element which we want to add will be added at the end of the list. List dot append brackets. Now I want to add the number 5, 4 at the end of the list. Now run the code. You observe that the element 4 has been added at the end of the list. Now the next command is insert. Insert will give the information about the index where you want to insert a number. Now I want to insert 6 at the now I want to change the index to by inserting 6 in it. Now run the code. Here we observe that at the index 3, 6 has been inserted. Now we'll see how to remove an element from the list. Now let us remove the element 2 from the list. Now run the code. You observe that 1, 3 has been printed on the screen where 2 has been removed. Now let us see how to use pop. When we use pop and give it a certain index, then it will remove the element in that index where and removes the element. Remove removes the element and pop removes the index. The next one is sort. Sort uh, arranges the elements in the list in ascending order. Now let us run the code. Here we observe that all the elements in the list are placed in ascending order. Now let us talk about matrices. Matrices are the list of lists. Let us create a matrix. Matrix is equals to list of 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6. 7, comma 8, comma 9. Now let us print the matrix. Here we can see that the matrix has been displayed on our screen. Here, each list in the matrix represents a row. The first column represents the index 0, and the first row represents the index 0. The If we want to print any element in the matrix, then we have to type element is equals to matrix and the location of the required element. Here let us print 6. 6 is in second column and first row. Therefore, now run the code. Here matrix 1 represents the second row and 2 represents the third column. Now run the code. 6 has been displayed on our screen. For, for modifications in matrix, we use let us change the element 6 into 10. Now print the matrix. Here we observe that 6 has been replaced with 10. This is all about lists and matrices. Thank you.